Good day to everyone. I am Joeline Bartolele-Quillo from Aramaywan 2 Elementary School. Title of Research, English and Filipino Reading Comprehension and Attitude of Grade 6 Pupils in Nara del Sur District. Introduction. Reading is fundamental in helping us find and convey information. It is an essential skill that is developed at a very young age. Here is why reading is beneficial to all of us, and how the importance of reading comprehension is essential to understanding the world around us by KISER 2021. According to Misanis 2023, the result of the Program for International Student Assessment or PISA of 2018, Philippines scored the lowest among the 79 participating countries in reading comprehension before the pandemic. This result is indeed alarming and needs immediate attention. In Aramaywan 2 Elementary School in Nara del Sur District, reading comprehension is also a problem, especially after the pandemic due to the modular mode of learning and poorly supervised reading. In this situation, the researcher decided to conduct a study to measure the comprehension level of grade 6 learners in selected schools in the district of Nara del Sur. Main problem: what is the reading comprehension level and attitude of grade 6 pupils in Nara del Sur district? Specifically, what is the comprehension level of the pupils using English and Filipino texts? What is the relationship between comprehension and attitude towards reading in English of grade 6 pupils? What is the relationship between comprehension and attitude towards reading in Filipino of grade 6 pupils? What is the relationship between English and Filipino comprehension? And what is the significant difference in the comprehension of the pupils from different school categories? Research methodology. This descriptive, correlational, and comparative study was conducted in June 2024 to determine the reading comprehension level using English and Filipino text and attitude of grade 6 pupils in Nara del Sur district. A total of 132 grade 6 pupils of Nara del Sur district served as the respondents of the study. Data were gathered using test questionnaire taken from FELRRI passages and reading attitude survey questionnaire created by Machen in Kerr 1990. Random sampling used in selecting the pupil respondents by school, while purposive sampling employed in determining the schools to be included in the study. To get the sample size, considering a margin of error 0.05. Weighted mean used to determine the English and Filipino comprehension level. Spearman rho used to determine the relationship between English and Filipino comprehension level and attitude. ANOVA used to analyze the difference between the means of the three categories of a school. Result and discussion. Table 1 present the comprehension of pupils in English text. In the big school, the result revealed that the majority of pupils, 38 or 86%, were at the frustration level, with only 6 or 14% at the instructional level, and none or 0% at the independent level. Similarly, the medium school shows a comparable distribution with 36 or 84% of pupils at the frustration level, 6 or 14% at the instructional level, and a mere 1 or 2% at the independent level. The small school exhibit a slightly better performance, although still concerning, with 33 or 75% of pupils at the frustration level, 10 or 23% at the instructional level, and only 1 or 2% at the independent level. The overwhelming presence of pupils at the frustration level highlights an urgent need for intensive, targeted reading intervention program. Table 2. Present the comprehension of pupils in Filipino text. In big school, 37 or 84% of the pupils were at the prostration level. Only 7 or 16% were at the instructional level, and none or 0% were at independent level. Medium school shows slightly better performance, with 32 or 73% of pupils were the frustration level. There is a small percentage, 9 or 7% of pupils were the independent level, and 3 or 20% were the instructional level. Pupils in small schools also show high level of frustration, 34 or 77%, with 7 or 16% were the instructional level, and 3 or 7% were the independent level. This indicates that the size of the school does not significantly impact the overall high level of reading difficulties, though medium schools show marginally better results. Table 3. Present the relationship between pupils' comprehension in their attitude towards English text. Results reveal that there is a significant positive student reading attitude are positively related to the reading comprehension. Thus, a student must continue to read to improve their English reading skills. Table 4. Present the result of relationship between pupils' comprehension and their attitude towards Filipino text. Result reveal that there is a significant positive relationship. The positive correlation suggests that pupils who have more positive attitude toward Filipino text tend to have better comprehension levels. This implies that advocating for a positive attitude towards reading Filipino text could potentially enhance comprehension skills. Table 5. Present the relationship between pupils' comprehension on English and Filipino text. Results showed that there is a significant positive relationship. This implies that those who have higher level of comprehension on Filipino text were likely to have higher levels of comprehension on English text also, and vice versa. Table 6. Present the difference in comprehension levels of pupils from different school sizes. Results reveal that there is no significant difference when grouped according to school sizes. Similarly, the size of the school does not significantly affect the Filipino reading comprehension scores of the pupils. Conclusion. The comprehension of pupils in school in English and Filipino reading text revealed that most of the pupils were in frustration level, while few pupils were independent level. There is a significant positive relationship between pupils' comprehension and their attitude towards and Filipino text. There is a significant positive relationship in comprehension of pupils in English and Filipino text. There is no significant difference in English reading comprehension scores among pupils when grouped according to school sizes. Recommendation for school administrators: ensuring reading curriculum standards are met and providing professional development opportunities for teachers. For teachers should plan reading lessons and organize their classrooms to maximize reading time. For curriculum designers, planning reading instruction for reading activities, assessing the reading resource needs of learners and parents. Thank you.